What's up guys, my name is Megan and I'm a fashion designer in New York City. Let's put it simply, Devil Wears Prada wasn't made out of nowhere. Yeah. After my 5 years in the industry, I've decided it's finally time to pursue my dream in starting my own fashion brand. My women's wear contemporary line will be launched in spring of 2023. It's called Carter June. I wanted to start a channel to kind of take everyone through the process of starting your own fashion brand. I've seen a lot of channels out there that talk about how to start your own fashion brand, but they're all, for the most part at least what I could find, making the actual product in your apartment on a small scale. This is going to be a little different. This is going to be for the people who want to make a brand on a larger scale, who don't either have the space or capability or just simply don't want to be sewing all this product out of your house. I know how to sew. I have a degree in fashion design and production. However, I could not in good conscience sell a dress that I made to anyone. I have zero business doing that. And if this sounds like you, this is the channel for you. I'm going to take you all step by step as to how to get all the way from getting your brand name to your vendor to actually getting the product into your customers' hands. I know there's a lot of aspiring designers out there who have been wanting to start their own brand but just don't know where to start. It's a long process. There's a lot of learning curves along the way, which I hope to save you from my own struggles of trying to figure it out. I really hope this helps a lot of people, and go ahead and like and subscribe below, and let's start this journey. Thanks guys. Bye.